This is a quantum question of existence. Okay. You have to understand this as well, that I must work through Anthony's particles. I must join his particles, his frequencies, so that I can manifest myself through him and through Renee. I have to join particles with both of them. Now, do these particles that are happening now, do they go out? Yes, they go out to all of you. And they go out to everybody that is channeling me, or that is to say, having an experience of Miriam of Magdala. They're going out to everybody. They don't go out in the sense that they're going outward. They're already existing. You might say that the channeler is allowing the light, the energy to be excited. It's already there.
Expanded or ignited, maybe.
Ignited. Excited as it's moving. I don't go outward. I'm already here. It's here already. But you as human beings, channelers,
we're expanding our consciousness to a point where we can tap into the frequency of Miriam of Magdala that already exists everywhere simultaneously, all at the same time in a quantum field.
You use the word to expand, to move out. That is okay. That is a good intention. But there's really no need to expand. Your consciousness is already there. You use the vocabulary to say that, but you must put into practice now this idea of expansion, the idea of connecting with the all, connecting with me. You all have it in you already, as you have consciousness of Christ, consciousness of God, consciousness of feminine energy. It's there already. But now we are putting it into practice. The question again is, how do you, each individual being, desire to put it into practice? You have the expansion already of mind and consciousness. Now you must put it into practice. It's like your courage, your boundaries. Put it into practice now.